Hi, my name is Tanya Batts, and I'm a personal trainer with Gold's Gym. How to make a healthy lifestyle and kind of use weight loss as a tool to kind of get you there. The things you will need for this are a mat and some space. So if you want to be healthy, you got to get moving. A great way to kind of remain healthy is to kind of park far away. I know it sounds horrible. Don't get that close parking spot. Just park as far away as you can and walk to the store. That's a great way to start. Forget the elevator or the escalator as well. You just want to take the stairs. It's a simple way just to slowly kind of incorporate yourself into that kind of way of life, and you want to eat right. Just watch what you eat. It's really important because you are what you eat. All right, so if you're at home and you're just kind of slowly starting out, you want to think about your routine and stick with it. Get a calendar. That's a big deal. Your Monday and Wednesday, might want to do your cardio. Your Tuesday and Thursday, a little bit of strength training. Strength training is really critical to be a well-rounded person and just to keep you healthy and feeling great. A few things you could do. I'm going to come on down. Just start with some simple crunches. I'm here. Apple between your chin and your chest. Pretend apple. I'm going to lift and I'm going to lower. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. So I'm working the abdominal muscles. You've already worked the legs because you parked far away. And a reverse curl. Your head's on the floor, just lifting the hips. So those are just a few things you can do just to stay healthy, eat right. You always want to stretch after all exercises, and you're on your way to a healthier new you.